What's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson. Today I want to try a web hosting service called Doric, and you can find it at doric.com. I will leave a link in the description so that you can go and visit them. But I will dive into this web service and see what it is all about. Now, I want to create a blog, but there are no templates for blogs, so I should start from scratch. Right, and then add a new section, and this is pretty similar to the WordPress plugin Elementor. Let's add an element and then text. Alright, so I can't edit the text here. I need to do it inside this text editor. Let's say I want to add my videos, and I paste the title of the video and hit bold. Alright, so I tweaked the text a little bit and then copy this text and click the link symbol to paste the link, and maybe open in a new tab, add link, copy, link, paste, add link. And this is what it looks like. So the question is, if I sign up, will the text be saved? What they fail to do is making things intuitive. How do I create an account and bring my work inside that account? Anyway, let's create the account and then create a new website and start from scratch. Oh, it's saved here. They brought everything inside the account. My question is, can I add YouTube videos directly? What I mean is it possible to import YouTube videos? Add element. And here we have video, so you can upload a video. So this is a little bit confusing. First we have edit row style, and then we have edit column, but you have to go to the middle and then edit element. Let's paste the URL. Alright, so this is an MP4 video. So maybe... Alright, so if you want to add a video, you need to choose embed and then add the URL to the video, and then you can also configure the player and set the width and height. Alright, for demonstration purpose I keep this short and hit publish. In the free package I can choose a doric.io domain. It's a subdomain. If I want to add my own domain, then I need to upgrade. I wonder if they do a live testing of the subdomains if they are already taken. Let's publish the site and copy the link. Right, so I'm in incognito mode in another browser, and let's see what it looks like. And hey, what's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson. And so this is pretty cool, and it is also very easy to set up. I wonder if they have an affiliate program. I don't believe they have, but in case people start to make small reviews, it would be great if the guy making the review could make a small commission in case anyone chooses to upgrade the package. So this is what I wanted to share, and I hope that you found this video to be helpful. In case you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know why I'm doing these videos, then feel free to visit my fundraising page, where I try to connect influencers with service owners. The people that are watching my videos are mostly people that want to start an online business and very likely become an influencer. If I can inspire people to promote small reviews of different web services, then the service owners will have a greater chance to get seen online. Alright, so thank you for watching, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.